how to buy MIGGLEI token. So it is available in PancakeSwap. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project on my channel that you found on my channel, do your own research. Now after that, as you can see, the token is available on PancakeSwap. Now first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Now select your wallet. For me, I will select Trust Wallet. Now here I will just type my password. And I will click unlock. As you can see, click on connect. Now after your Trust Wallet is connected to PancakeSwap, as you can see, we are ready to buy the MIGGLEI. So select the crypto that you want to buy with. So from here we select GCT. Now after that, I will enter how much I will buy. So I will buy 10. This is how much I will receive. So before that, I will need to fill my account by USDT. So I will buy it. So just click on get it now. As you can see here, you need to buy the USDT by your credit card. Now here, select the provider. I prefer Transact. Now click on buy with Transact. Now after you fill your account with USDT, now you are able to buy the MIGGLEI token and you will be able to have it on your wallet. So this is what is the MIGGLEI token. The MIGGLEI is a new token launched on the Binance Smart Chain and designed to offer exciting and opportunities and experience for its community. The project is focused on innovation and growth within the cryptocurrency space. Now website launch, the official MIGGLEI websites will be available on December 16th, and game release, the MIGGLEI game will be launched on December 25th. So stay tuned for more updates and development as the MIGGLEI project unfolds. So this is how to buy MIGGLEI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.